Mark the Meerkat suffering here, but with a little bit different trading video. I'm going to give you the lesson first, and then I'm going to show you two trades that are the same pattern and actually the same result on the same stock. So first of all, our lesson. Trading truth number 5. I act without hesitation or reservation when the opportunity of an edge is identified. In other words, consistency in pulling the trigger when you identify a trading pattern. Well, we were trading this morning in the GrokStar room on Yahoo, Y-H-O-O. And it had been running up, and this is pre-market. This yellow line here is then at opening. But it was running up into opening and then did a what we call a pullback buy or a bull pullback. If you want to know more about that pattern, just go to our free chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Right here is free chart school. And look for pullback buy. Here's a description of it, and here is a picture of it where it runs up and then pulls back to a line of support. And then if it turns up, it is likely to be bearish, as our probabilities in our favor. So here at opening, it was running up to opening. This yellow line is opening, pulled back to what? These lines of support, and began to roll up. Now I actually have to show you the candle here where I actually went long on at 27.78. I'm now long, so let's see what happened after that. Boom, boom, boom. It ran up here, and now it was doing a high base. And it was looking a little bit weak, and so I went ahead and I took out half at 28.05 for 1.0%. Let's pull this down and see how it went after that. It's running up nicely, and then look at this. This 8 EMA here, it was nicely supporting it, and then it broke it right there. I had my stop just underneath, so I stopped out at 28.25 for 1.6% on the second half. So the total trade here on this breakout from here, half out here and the other half out there, was for 1.3% in 17 minutes. Now remember that, because now let's see what happened after that. It did another bull pullback to where? To this 20 moving average, and then began to pull up again, and I quickly got into another trade, and now I'm long at 28.38. And some of the other members of my room were in there with me. And look at this, it high based a little bit and then ran up nicely. And look at that, came all the way up here, and then it was really extended away from the 8 EMA, so I went ahead and I took out half for 28.85 for 1.6% on the first half. And then what happened? Bam! It fell right below the 8 EMA and triggered my stop at 28.69 for 1.0% on the second half. So the second trade on the bull pullback was 1.3% in 16 minutes. See how similar that trade was to the first one? Again, both of them were on the same trading pattern, and it actually occurred once again here, and then a bull pullback right there, and then actually stopped out over the top there. And but this, it was amazing because Yahoo dropped because of earnings last night, but then it continued to run up all day and ended up 10%. Well, this is Mark Suffern. Trade well, everyone.